In this video, I will guide you how to add background music in Filmora, or either you can say add music in Wondershare Filmora. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. So first import your video to the timeline. So now head to the audio section and select the audio which you want to add in. For example, you want to add in this audio to the video clip. Select it and paste under the and place it under the video clip. And now click this scissor to remove the excess part, and now you can play it from here, and here you can see that music is added. Moreover, if you want to add your own music, then click on this arrow and select the music file from your computer. For example, I have some musics. So the audio will be imported to the Filmora, and then again drag it and place on the under the clip. Remove the excess part, and you can right click and remove the delete empty track so it can easily viewable. So now play it. You can see that the background music has been added. Moreover, drag the horizontal line in the middle of the audio clip. You can decrease the volume by dragging to the down. You can see that the music volume has been decreased. And if you want to increase, you need to pull it up like this one. And here it is. So this way you can easily add a music background in the Filmora. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.